In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status in Jira. This tutorial is part of our Jira Basics series and will cover everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a team or tackling a solo project, being able to navigate Jira is crucial to ensuring your workflow remains smooth and efficient. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, you need to head over to the Atlassian homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Atlassian is a collaboration software widely used by software, IT, and business teams around the globe. It's the home base for all your Jira activities. If you're not already there, just open your web browser and search for Atlassian. Once you're on the page, the next step is to sign in. You'll want to click on the Sign In button, often located at the top right of the page. Ensure you're using your designated email and password to access your Jira account. Once you have signed in successfully, navigate your way to the Jira home. This is your central hub within Jira, where you can view your projects, track your issues, and much more. Look for an option or an icon that takes you directly to Jira, which is usually marked clearly so you can't miss it. After arriving at the Jira home, it's time to select a task. Your task list will be displayed here, and you should pick the one you want to update. Clicking on a task will usually open up a more detailed view, containing all the information and settings you need. Now you'll see a drop-down arrow next to the task status. Click on this drop-down. It allows you to make changes to the current status of your task. Next, find and click on the option labeled Create Status. This action allows you to either create a new status or modify an existing one. This is particularly useful if you have projects with unique workflows or need to customize your task progression. It's important to remember that enabling custom statuses can help you better reflect the nuances of your team's processes. Finally, once you've clicked on Create Status, take a moment to ensure that everything aligns with your project requirements. Double-check your changes, and as soon as you're satisfied, go ahead and save or confirm. And just like that, you've successfully changed the status of a task in Jira. In just a few steps, you've learned how to navigate and modify statuses in Jira. This straightforward process is a valuable tool in maintaining the flow and organization of your projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials in our Jira Basics series. Happy task managing!